Hello kids, welcome to HAMARI ABC class. Today we learn alphabet F. This is alphabet F. First row is standing line. Second is sleeping line. Second row is sleeping line. F is ready. One is standing line. Second is sleeping line. Third is sleeping line. F is ready. One is standing line. Second sleeping line. Third sleeping line. F is ready. One standing line. Second sleeping line. Third sleeping line. F is ready. One standing line. Second sleeping line. Third sleeping line. F is ready. One standing line. Second sleeping line. Third sleeping line. F is ready. One standing line. Second sleeping line. Third sleeping line. One standing line. Second sleeping line. Third sleeping line. F is ready. One standing line. Second sleeping line. Third sleeping line. F is ready. One standing line. Second sleeping line. Third sleeping line. F is ready. F words. One standing line, second sleeping line, third sleeping line. F is ready. F for fish. F I S H fish. F R O G frog. F I R E fire. F L O W E R flower. FISH fish. Fish means machli. FROG frog. Frog means medunk. FIRE fire. Fire means आग. FLOWER flower. Flower means fool. Bye bye kids. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.